So Huawei's not done innovating yet. While others are still catching up with foldables, Huawei is already stepping into the future with a new beast, the Mate X-T2. And this isn't just any foldable phone, it's a trifold. That's right, a phone that folds not once but twice, unfolding into something that looks more like a tablet. Or maybe even a mini laptop. And now, a new leak just gave us our first big clue. According to reliable sources on Weibo, Huawei is getting ready to launch the Mate X-T2 in September this year, probably aiming to go head-to-head with the iPhone 17 series. But here's the twist. This phone isn't just about folding screens. Huawei's packing some serious satellite power into this one. Yeah, you heard that right. The Mate X-T2 is rumored to support low-orbit satellite connectivity, something that's usually found in military-grade tech or ultra-premium satellite phones. Let me break it down. Low-orbit satellites fly closer to Earth, around 500 to 1200 kilometers up. That means they can offer faster speeds, real-time communication, and low-latency connections, even in remote villages, deep mountains, or disaster zones. And this tech isn't just for show. It could enable texting, calling, or even basic internet access when you're completely off the grid. Combine that with 6G readiness, and you've got next-level mobile connectivity. And there's more. Another leak reveals that Huawei is bringing eSIM support to the Mate X-T2. Now, you might be thinking, eSIM? What's the big deal? But in a foldable phone, it's huge. eSIM eliminates the need for a physical SIM card tray, which means more internal space for cooling systems, battery, or advanced cameras, and fewer moving parts to worry about. And in a trifold phone where space is extremely limited, that makes a big difference. Earlier, Huawei didn't include eSIM in their first-gen trifold, but now it's back, and just in time to challenge Apple's iPhone 17 Air, which is also rumored to rely heavily on eSIM tech. So picture this. A triple folding smartphone with satellite connectivity, eSIM built in, and a form factor so futuristic it looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. And knowing Huawei, they won't stop at design. You can expect top-tier cameras, massive displays, Harmony OS integration, and probably more surprises at launch. Bottom line, Huawei's not just playing the game, they're rewriting the rulebook. And if Apple isn't watching closely, the Mate X-T2 might just fold more than its screen. It might fold the entire competition. I'll be keeping an eye out for more leaks on this one, but let me know in the comments. Would you use a triple fold phone with satellite internet? Or is it just too futuristic for daily use? See you in the next one. Peace.